lot better with the good tire pressure.
Holy cow.
You should have seen my entries yesterday. I was entering at about 60 on the front straightaway.
Jeez Louise.
Yeah. I didn't turn the AC off. We were robbing ourselves of power, man. I want to kill the tires doing them like that. Because those are really bad for them, but you're like, oh, that entry, and I was like, that ain't nothing.
That left-hander, dude, we were just freaking accelerating.
Oh, yeah.
Well,
we awesome. Can, like, I want to track it out further. I can definitely do harder than that, for sure. I was honking my horn, but nothing happened.
I would honk mine, but that'd be obnoxious.
Yeah.
You going out?
I'm gonna cruise around a little bit and drop a low temp some.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Nice. Well, I'll come back up and
drop my temp, so I don't know why I'm doing it.
Okay. The maze of mall crawlers, man. Is that like that transition from the first to second corner?
Yep.
Is I can kind of stay in tighter on the first corner and track out wider on the second.
Okay.
And since it's kind of a double apex, like I wanted to go inside, but it would actually make more sense to go inside, outside, or
okay.
sorry, outside, inside, and then just go that way. Like that.
That was perfect. Yeah, that second to last one.
Now. We're gonna go back and get some cool down. Am I good?
You're good on right.
My foot slipped off the gas pedal.
All right. Yeah, super interesting feeling y'all are like, you know, back to back.
Yeah,
in the same car.
Is definitely, especially my transitions are a lot less smooth.
That was better.
Enter it pretty consistently.
Okay.
But I haven't been swinging that far wide on the far end, which I'm not trying to.
I was going to ask, yeah.
Yeah, I definitely want to be a little closer in, but I think...
Have you tried starting farther left?
Sometimes when I try to get closer in, I just spin.
Right.
So I think I just got to get like that out of my mind. I might want to try and initiate a little bit farther up.
Yeah.
Because last event there was one big turn that was pretty much just entire banking.
Right.
And I tried it a few times, but I couldn't quite get that part.
Gotcha.
Understeering a lot. These last 2 times I've gone out. I think I'm gonna go take it back up to the top.
All right.
Let it cool off.